Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video is one I'm really excited about for multiple reasons. Raccoon's mother of all fireworks. I have been wanting to see these 4-inch cans for ages. I finally broke down, ordered some online because I couldn't find them local. And not only did I get the cans, they came in the new packaging that Raccoon is doing. And I am excited to see how these look and how they're packaged. Because this new packaging is outstanding. It takes up so much less space. I can leave these in the original package, just slide them onto shelves, and I can just store so many more cans in the same amount of space. Really hope that other vendors take this on and start doing it as well. So we have a little tab in the back. Open this up, and look at that. All 4 shell kits, all of the tubes. There is no wasted space in here. There's no foam package. It's not piled high. I love this design. So all of these shells are numbered and have a label on them with a description. This is my first time firing these. I'm going to fuse them up all in order that they are listed. So we have the 4 packs of 6 shells, each of them with a fiberglass tube. And let's check out the tube on this. We've got the Raccoon Mother of all fireworks logo on it. Looks to be a standard thickness. It's not super thick like the Neon Beefs were, but that is still a sturdy tube with a concrete plug. I'll probably knock the bases off of these, build up another fiberglass rack with them. And then here are all of the shell effects with the numbers. With the glare, you probably might not be able to read it all. You may be able to. We can do screenshots of this. But I'll write these all down and post them into the video as well. So here we are, all fused up with the Raccoon Mother of all fireworks. I was really torn about how I wanted to fuse this one, what kind of pacing I wanted to do, and I decided to go with the 20-second blue cannon fuse, which it'll still give me a good look at the brakes, but not slow it down too much that we should keep getting a shell as soon as one is done bursting. I am really excited to see what these 4-inch cans can do. And if you guys are as well, drop a subscribe right now while we bring this thing out and fire it up. Thanks everyone.